Hi ladies and gentlemen, I am Nay. Welcome to Nay's Days. So today I'm going to talk to you about carrying a heavy purse or bag on your shoulder, the health hazards, and some tips that can help you so you don't have those problems. So I know that I'm guilty of carrying a big heavy bag. Like, I carry this bag and I always wear it on the same shoulder. I think that's just more of like my comfort. So which shoulder do you guys carry your purse or bag on mostly? On your left side or on your right side? Comment below. But I didn't realize this, that carrying a heavy bag or a purse can actually cause problems. I know that anytime like I'm carrying a heavy bag for like the longest time, after I put it down, I'm like, oh my God, my shoulder hurts, my back hurts. I gotta like stand up straighter and, you know, turn my neck because it's like that heaviness is actually hurting me. And I didn't realize that it was like a temporary pain, but it's not. So some of the health hazards from what I researched are that carrying a bag on one side actually leads to an imbalance. And that obviously makes sense, because if you're carrying a heavy bag on this side, your shoulder is going down, your spine is curved, your back isn't straight, your posture is off, and you're gonna be like walking like this. So some of the injuries that you could cause just by carrying your bag on one side could be shoulder pain, neck pain, back pain, headaches, spine curvature, and a imbalance of your posture. So I have some tips for you guys so that your bag isn't so heavy and cause these health hazards. Okay, like I said, I am guilty of this. I carry a heavy purse. I find things in my purse that I don't remember putting there. So I don't know if it's maybe the kids are dropping things in my bag, but I know my wallet's heavy, not with money, but with everything else, cards and receipts, checkbook. And then like I find socks in there. I find my planner is heavy, and just things add up. And if you're a mom or a dad, you know that you just pile things and throw things in your purse and it's unorganized, but that like little bit of each time you do that, it adds weight to your bag, and then you're carrying it and you're actually hurting yourself. So some tips that I have for you are, if you're going to carry a heavy bag or a purse, wear it for the shortest amount of time that you can. The second one that I have is switch sides. So if you mostly carry your bag on the left side, wear it for a short amount of time and then switch it to the right side, and then short amount of time, switch to your left. Kind of like alternate the shoulders to kind of like give that some balance. And you also don't want to hold it like out here, because I know that you're going to get an elbow problem, but wear it close to your side. That will help you out as well. You also want to look for a bag that has multi-pocket so that it distributes the weight a little bit better. So right here, I have a few pockets, and that's gonna help so it's not all heavy right in the middle. This is one of my biggest problems, is that I use the same bag every single day, and they said that you shouldn't do that. And I understand why, because I go through my bag and it's a few days worth of like either wrappers or something I just toss in the bag that I should actually have cleaned out, but I'm like, oh no, I'm gonna be using that tomorrow. So to reduce the weight, you should actually switch bags often. You should clean out your purse, and then those heavy things that you needed that one day, well, you don't need it every single day. So get rid of that heaviness of unnecessary items. So if you know that you're gonna need a lot of items, best to have two bags. I know it's like, oh, the inconvenience of having two bags, but you can wear one on each shoulder, and then your balance and your posture is straight. So you want to stand up straight so your back is not curved, because then your spine is out of place. And also a good idea is to find a bag that has thick straps, because those thin straps, I know that they like dig into my arms like my bra line. And so a thicker strap bag actually is better for you. It kind of helps to distribute the weight a little bit better. I know that after a long day of carrying my bag, even from my work to the car, it's that my shoulders hurt. So a good thing to do is to roll your shoulders to kind of like loosen that up. And then also, if you guys go to the gym or go to a yoga place, yoga is really good for stretching out your body and to get you back to normal. So I hope you guys learned something from this. I know I gotta use some of these tips as well because I have the heavy bag. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean out my purse and get rid of those necessary heavy items and try to like lighten my load. Wear it, you know, alternated shoulders because I know I always do it on the left side, and just like do better for my body because I need my shoulders and my neck. And I think that's why I go to the chiropractor every 2 weeks, because of my purse. So guys, I hope you guys have a great day. Make sure you comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on that post notification so you never miss a video. I'm a daily vlogger and I upload content every single day. So make sure you check back. If you have not checked out yesterday's video, go do that now. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Always think positive, never give up, live life to the fullest, and I love you. Bye.